Today I'm talking about labor. There are many kinds of labor in the world. You work in factories, you work at home, carpentry, ironsmith, blacksmith, this or that. There are lots of kinds of labor that man does from the birth to death. He works and works and works, and eventually he finds himself the same place where he started. That's a very interesting phenomena, that when I talk with old people, they are 80, 90 sometimes, they say they don't know why they was born. They don't know what they did in this world. They missed many, many things in their life. So there are lots of labor that man does. But in real spiritual meaning, labor is not what you do for yourself. The real spiritual meaning of the labor is very deep. There are three kinds of labor. The first labor that man must do, is the labor to manifest the divine plan on earth. If he is not working in that labor, whatever he is doing in his life is in vain. He is building castles on the waves of the ocean, and the waves will come and take it away with the man himself. So the real labor is to give manifestation to the divine plan. What is the divine plan? It is 6. The first thing is beauty. You are going to bring beauty to the life. That's a great labor. You are going to bring to the life goodness. Real goodness. Not Hippocratic goodness. Not goodness that is based on your interests and partial interests. But real goodness from deep from your heart. And the third thing is truth. You are going to bring truth and light. That's a great labor. And the fourth thing, you are going to bring joy. Joy to humanity. Joy to your friends. To everybody that you know. Even joy to the animals. To the trees and plants. The next thing is to bring health to the planet. Health. Instead of poisoning each other, instead of making millions of dollars and then dumping the poison in the air, you are going to bring health to the planet. Planet is your mother and you are killing the planet. The next thing is you are going to bring freedom to the planet. Freedom to every human being. These are the 6 points of labor which build the kingdom of God on earth. That's the main labor that every man must be engaged.